Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 19 minus 7 is equal to 12. Okay, then again 19 minus 7 is equal to 12. Now 12 multiplied 12 is equal to 144. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, so PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here, multiplication and division both have equal priority. Okay, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also, both have equal priority. Okay, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so is equal to first we have to solve this parentheses. Okay, so 19 minus 7. Now solve this parenthesis. 19 minus 7 is equal to 12. Okay. Now here is multiplication and here is subtraction. So according to PEMDAS, first priority is multiplication. Okay. So 19 minus, now 7 multiplied 12 is equal to 84. Okay. Now 84 minus 19 is equal to minus 65. Okay, so the correct answer is minus 65. Okay, if you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.